What's crack-a-lackin' YouTube? Sock Monkey coming back at you live. Just wanted to do a quick little update. As you guys saw in my last video, I had upgraded to a 14900K and a 4080 Super, but really couldn't let my baby, good old 3080 EVGA for the Win 3, go to rest. So I bought a couple new parts. Bought the 4000D Airflow RGB. I saw it does come with the AF fans, pretty sure. That's pretty sick. Got the Arctic liquid freezer. Always wanted to use that AIO. Went with EK last time, but don't think you should reuse CPU coolers, in my opinion, unless it's an air cooler. And then we got the 850 power supply. I had a 1000 watt. Didn't think this needed it. I don't think I ever saw my 9900K and the 3080 overclocked ever go above 700 watts. So yeah, hopefully that'll be good to go. But yeah, thought I'd do a quick little update. We're gonna be chucking the Dominator 3600, 32 gigs. See how it goes. Maybe tonight, might be tomorrow when I do this video, because Counter-Strike 2 might be getting its first operation. So we shall see. We'll say first impressions of the case. It is pretty clean. I can't lie. That back part though, I'm gonna be acid building, because that's why I bought the 680X or whatever for the dual chamber. Well, we got a good bit installed. Got the power supply, all the cables. Absolute mess back there right now. Started plugging everything in, and yeah, that's a lot of room for the AIO. We'll see what happens. I might be flopping it to the front, putting the tubes at the top, running it like that. We're gonna see. Well, I lied. We did not go play Counter-Strike. Ended up putting the CPU core in. We had enough room. Is it touching the rim? Nah, it's not even touching. Well, barely not touching. We had a little bit of room. I ended up not putting it all the way over to the right, so in case something did need to happen to the RAM, I could just take this first fan out instead of having to take everything out. But looks like we should have enough room. I think I might stop here though. Said that last time, but I'm gonna do it for good. Catch you guys on the flip. All right, we are back, people. We got it in. It's very tight. Good Lord. Maybe could have put the fans on the top. I don't know. We got the daisy chain. Fortunately, this 850 watt only came with 2 PCIEs that split off. We'll see what happens. I'm probably not gonna be overclocking this. This is just, you know, kind of stable. Just gonna give it to my brother, so hopefully he'll get some use out of it. Shout out to him, graduating. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. We'll see. Wires in the back aren't too bad for now. Might tighten them up a little bit, but yeah, we'll probably come back tomorrow and see if it posts. Using the same Windows, motherboard, all that. So hopefully, just got to get into BIOS and take care of a few things. But yeah. All right, there we go. We are live. We're back. Look at all those icons. Jeez. She's running pretty well, I guess. I'm not sure if that light. Maybe that's just how they are. Kind of obnoxious, but we'll take it. Yeah, she's pumping out. Got the no RGB. Looks like front ones just went out. Nice. Guess we'll have to take a look, but yeah, I guess we'll have to go into the BIOS. I'm probably just gonna drop the 9900K to 4.9 instead of the full 5.0 that it's at, just to, you know, give it a little bit of headroom. I don't have the 2 bottom fans in this, and it's a little tight, obviously, right there. So, but yeah, looks like we got this finished up. I guess I could do a peel. Maybe. Yeah, we'll do a peel. Why not? Oh. Not too shabby. And then there's another one on the inside, so I'll let my brother take that one off or something. But hopefully you guys did enjoy. Guess I'm gonna go hop into the BIOS. Probably gonna uninstall half these games, and we'll free up some space for some other stuff. But I guess I got my PS2 emulator back, so we'll get that running. But with college football coming out, Maybe expect some PS5 Dynasty mode action. But hope you guys enjoy. Have a great one. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!